Hello friends, good morning, and good morning also for Deepak sir. Today our team will play role of a village headman who is uneducated, and in the end of the play, we consider importance of education. I, Prashant Kumar Dwivedi, will play role of village headman Ram Ji.
Hello, I am Kaushal Kumar Tiwari. I am going to play the role of Mr. Balkar.
Here,
Good morning, everybody. I am Shamchand Misra. In this play, I will play the role of Mahesh Tiwari.
here, Mr. Dhananjay.
Yes, I am Dhananjay Kumar. I am going to play the role of an irrigation officer in this play.
Here,
I am
Mr.
Vinod Chandra. I will play both. I will play on this play
Role of shopkeeper.
role of a shopkeeper.
Here, Praveen.
I am Praveen Kumar. In this act, I play the role of a professor.
Here,
Hello, sir. Good morning. What are you doing? You look so very in anxiety. Sir, what is the matter? Please tell me.
not nothing, but I am worried about my fields, my crops, and all the fields of my village and crops of my village. Since I am headman of the village, please sit near me.
Hello, sir. You don't look well today. What is the reason behind of it?
Yeah, you have come to at the right time. Mahesh Tiwari and I were discussing a serious problem, that is a great need of water for our fields or crops. Otherwise, our village will have to face starvation. Here,
Sir, we can do nothing by sitting silently and thinking we shall have to do to save our fields and crops.
here.
Sir, we should go to the irrigating officer and request to the officer to open canal before time so that our crop might be saved.
Since we are poor villagers, we have to collect fund in our village, and we shall go to Prayagraj and request the officer. I would like to mention, next after 3 days, the 3 farmers appear in the irrigation office, and all the farmers say, once again we have to send a loud voice, we may come in, sir. Irrigating officer.
Yes, come in. What's the matter? Why are you looking so worried? Gentlemen,
We are very poor villagers. Our crops is growing ruined due to lack of water. We have come to here to request you to open the canal before time.
no, it's not fine. It's not fair. I can't do this before time. It is the rule and regulation.
Sir,
No, here my speech. Sir, if you follow your rules and regulation, and in such condition our village will have to face starvation, please order in our favor so that our crop might be saved. Yes.
sir, if you do not do so in our favor, remember one thing, my whole village will come in your office and we shall go to the DM to Prayagraj.
Hey gentlemen, listen. One thing. Don't do this. I will try it, and I will order to open the canal before time.
Thank you, sir.
Getting the orders, all the farmers are very happy, but this is a problem because they are uneducated. They do not know how to read the order, and so they go to shop and request the shopkeeper to read it. Shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper, please read it.
Perhaps your camel has struck in a canal and you are ordered to release it.
Mahesh Tiwari. Yes.
What?
Speaking loudly.
He has ordered to release us a camel. Sir, it is useless for us.
Yes. Speaking loudly.
It is useless for us. We must tear it.
No, we must not tear it. It might be, we should not worry. Perhaps the shopkeeper might be uneducated like us, so we have to find out another person who is educated. And after this, all the farmers go to University of Prayagraj. They find a professor and request him to read their order. All the
Sir?
farmers go to yes.
Sir, please. I have order, sir, please. Please, sir, sir, read it, sir.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Be safe. Okay, gentlemen, you should be happy that the officer has ordered to close the east branch of the canal and open the north branch.
Since the order was in their favor, but they could not read it, and so hearing this order in their favor, they became very happy. And at last, we can say that moral of this play is importance of education. If we are uneducated, we have to face a lot of difficulties. That's all for this.